Hey guys, K809 here. As you can see, the paint pooch, she's all done. Got ventilation, quick swap filters. But today, as you can see, the truck is, well, it's uncovered. And I'm covering the firewall back up because I sanded the whole truck, well, all the primer again, and discovered I should do another 2 coats of primer because the roof was messed up. We just tried painting a patch, and trying to blend a patch, if you've ever tried that, is a pain. Like blending paint together. So we're gonna re-primer the whole thing again, but I gotta tape everything off so we can kill 5 birds with 20 stones and prime it. I'll sand it again and paint it all at once instead of me taping off the firewall and painting only the firewall. So yeah, I'm gonna move the cab out there since this is the reactor room or clean room. My dad comes up with new names every day, so yeah, we'll get to that. First I gotta plug in some music and find a place to put the GoPro. Sticky.
Lately been given, gave my name to all of them. Gave my name. And the worst of it all is that I can't keep
GoPro died. Anyways, one side's done. Turned out okay. And now this side. So I won't record it because it's the same process, so I'll give you an update. Hey guys, K009 here. Sorry if I'm covering the mic, but this is it for tonight. I got this side done, that side done, and the other side done. All I got left is this. I ran out of tape. That's not a good sign, but what a pain in the ass just doing this is. This is my test to see when I rip this off, does it peel the paint off? Because up here it doesn't matter. And then I know to run a heat gun along it for when I take all the tape off, which I'll have to do with this red tape, even though for it being really strong, poke that, it comes right off, so that pisses me off. But yeah, this is it so far, so I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm tired, I'm going to bed. See ya.